A law student was brutally raped inside a law group. Now, what happened actually, more than this worst I'm going to tell you guys is there was a hockey bat side of it. So what this person really did the hockey bat with her and raped her so brutally, this news has been spread all over India, and most of YouTubers doesn't put this thing, but I am putting because this thing has to be kept. It's because daily every day it happened, but we can't move on, right? So let us dive into the video and know what's actually happened, what's the full story, and who's this person, the vulgar person did this such disaster things there when the people are there in India itself. What to do? Our country, we can't defend anymore anything. So let us dive into the story. So a law student, a 24-year-old in South Kolkata College, she was studying. So this rape happened inside a security guard room, and even more than was that this happened in Kasba actually in Kolkata. So the person who did this vulgar things and so disastrous things, uh, his name is Manojit Mishra. So yes, he's a Manojit Mishra. I'll tell detail about him. So Manojit Mishra is nobody. He's a same ex-student of same law college. So he's a former student and graduated. So what he was doing, and not only he, along with him, there are two members along with him gave support in the gang rape. So as I said, not only this, there's twist last of this video. So I'm going to tell that also. So before this, Manoj Sharma and Manoj Sharma is accompanied with him is Sahib Hamid and Pratim Mukherjee. So these two people also accompany with him, and they they gave such a torture, right? And he was not a student but of the college, and he was when people like trained who's guy and what was his ex behavior in the college. He was a troublesome maker. He was manipulating all in most of the female girls when he was in the college. So he basically misused many of them vulgarly and also. But now this time he went out of the hands and everything. So he did a lot of things. Now it should not be done all the people. So this what I want to say is uh, he bet her the hockey bat and he bited her, and they even scratched her very, I say very drastically. They scratched her and made that made a mental trauma to her. And after this happened, however, the law student, that girl, I don't want to say her name also, but the girl who was victim who was got brutally raped, she however she managed to escape and for seeking help, and that help now it came as a news. Now you guys are watching as a video. So this our responsibility to make sure that this thing should go reach every people, so that you and I, we have society have to stand with them. So yes, but not doing that, he even took the video of her, what which she had been raped, and thought to later to blackmail her in further cases also. So this makes much more tragedy, right? So why these Indian people are so devastated with these things? So at conclusion, what I'm coming to say is, uh, yes, India's large population country, right? They should also put stampede about this thing. Three people died, and now it's a rape, and our India is not safety for anymore for not only for Indian people. No, what would the foreign people think about us? They will also think the same thing, right? For Indians only getting a, and mostly it's rape. And you guys see the rape case not happened only one time here now. It happened before also. It's happened in medical college. How much of them busted out at? So see guys, think of it. This is something which because India has happened rapes, yeah, nearly 10 minutes. Each of 10 minutes, one rape happened. So just think of it. uh, How how brutal, how cruel our mindset will be, and how brutal our society is. So no, I came here. If I spoke means, will they change? Yes, they'll take us motivation now. Yeah, I will do everything. Yes, I will support. Stand for that. Everything. But tomorrow, the same night, the rape will happen. So this thing, what if I say nothing, whatever, this, me, you, and all the society, we have to change. It's our responsibility, it's our fault. We made our bother, and the whole society made this thing to happen this. So each and every guys make a stand that this thing should not happen. And people's safety and girls' safety should be must be importance and procure should be given to the women also, because nowadays they are coming out and they're doing work. But if I see there should be equality also, but there should be a safety also. So as I said, the last end and get twist, right? The twist is nothing but even the security guard has been involved in this thing. Not only that, I said before, Manoj Mishra, who was to get arrested. There's three of them got arrested. The fourth person was security guard. I said the rape happened in a security guard role, right? Even security guard only helped these three people to happen this rape, and he gave security not for the girl, he gave the security for the people who raped her. So this is one of the, because I'm saying like this is one of the biggest. I couldn't imagine a, a security who has to give protection for the student and the people who come stay in that place. He's not giving the protection there, and he's giving the protection who come the opposite of that, who actually should be given protection. So this makes much more fear. And as a government response, I don't want to get into the government all person, because both are the saying, both the parties, I don't want to say take name also, but the both the parties from just A or B saying this government has not failed as women's safety, and these others, I don't want to get into this because nothing to do, because it's our fault. We yourself, our society is like that, what we can do. So this I want to say, this thing is, we people has to be conscious and make sure this thing doesn't happen further. If I say also nothing will not happen, we should take a stand. So we have to take, and tomorrow itself like a rape may happen also. So at last, nothing to say more. Just stop it. That will be much more better, and our society will grow and improve better a lot. Just stop this thing. It was thank you. Make another video. So more information on this, subscribe my channel, because I don't want to say also, because this thing happened in some other place of the world also. We have not take care of. We have to take care. It's happening in our own state, country, and our state. So you guys has to understand.